The end of the chatbot era. Viewers, this brand new update from Google Gemini has completely shattered the global digital landscape. Gemini is no longer just a standard chatbot. It has evolved into a sovereign multi-format export engine that creates complex operational files in seconds. Whether you require structured Google Docs, pristine Word files, secure PDFs, or massive complex Google Sheets and Excel financial dashboards, you can now build everything natively right inside the Gemini window. Simply upload your handwritten scribbles, chaotic notes, or raw data and watch it instantly synthesize them into jaw-dropping study guides or high-end professional presentations. Enterprise Agent Studio and autopilot frequency. But that is just the surface deep. Within Google Gemini Enterprise, the highly anticipated Agent Studio has officially gone live. This means you can now build, train, and deploy your own customized autonomous AI agents without writing a single line of code. These digital agents operate on permanent autopilot, automatically extracting your business bills, running deep financial data audits, managing inventory pipelines, and drafting hyper-targeted viral marketing scripts. The era of manual corporate labor is collapsing, and the system is transferring absolute power back into the hands of independent creators. Flowmusic.app, the new audio matrix, and here is the most shocking breakthrough of this entire rollout. Google has introduced an explosive new creative tool called flowmusic.app. Now, you don't need expensive recording studios or sound engineers. By simply typing your conceptual branding ideas, this advanced sound architecture generates stunning, high-definition, custom songs, complex background beats, and cinematic audio tracks tailored specifically for your brand identity. The gap between throw and absolute high fidelity musical production has officially been reduced to zero. The ultimate kingdom of AI sync. My brothers and sisters, technology has accelerated to a point where hours of grueling human labor now rely on mere seconds of processing power. The matrix is moving fast and the old ways of working are obsolete. The creators and architects who step up right now and sync these advanced tools into their daily workflows will effortlessly conquer the global market, achieving total passive income sovereignty. Those who hesitate will simply be left behind in the dust of the old world. The sovereign closing. The system has evolved. The tools are live. And the market belongs to those who control the frequency. That is all for this profound breakdown. Stay tuned as the 110 Hz tracking continues to expose the next frontier of global technology. I am Muhammad Faisal Hussaini, advisor who is like me. I am Hussaini. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu.